Hi, I'm Robin Cookie, and welcome to my YouTube channel. On my channel, I do a lot of shopping, unboxings, what's in my bags, try-on hauls, and lately I've been going live with my cousins. So I call all of my YouTube friends cookies. And in this video, I have my first PR unboxing, and this is from Javon at JAVLOGS. JAVLOGS. I'll leave a link in the description as well as in the comments. And she does vlogging, Disney, travel. Recently, she went to Japan, and she's been making homemade natural products for about 5 years. And she sent me a PR unboxing and a code to share with my subscribers. So I'm so excited about getting in the box and sharing her products with you. And I have a collection that I've been collecting since she started, and I really enjoy her products, and that's 100% honest and genuine. So if you're interested in seeing what's in my first PR unboxing, stay tuned. Let's get into the box. So cool. Okay, let's get into the box. Velvety Vibes. That's her company. Glow on Skin, Vibes on 10. Cute. Here's the box. This is her package, and it's always cute. Sometimes she has candy. Look at the little heart. Look at this guest check. You are deeply loved by God, and your life matters. You are fearfully and wonderfully made. Check it out. Date, take, guess, server Javon. This is so cute. Adorable. Look at that. And then, hi, Robin. Thank you for accepting and sharing your Velvety Vibes PR package. I truly appreciate your support, and I appreciate you, sis. Truly. Here's the coupon code Robin20 for 20% off your first purchase. Woohoo! This is the website, velvetyvibes.com. I'll leave a link below. Oh, look at this. Turmeric scrub. Oh, it's so adorable. Let's look. I love the packaging. Oh, so pretty. Oh, it smells good. Nice. Look at that. Sun Kiss. You guys make sure you check out her website and get your goodies because she does sell out. Turmeric butter. I left my hands ashy so that I could try some of the products for you. Look at this. Oh, it's so smooth. Look at that. Oh, it's nice. Look at that glow. Oh, I love it. Oh, it smells so delicious. Check it out. It almost smells edible. So cute. And then we have Whipped Body Glaze, Cloud Cotton. Hand whipped with nourishing oils and butter to deeply moisturize. Clean, fresh cotton, homemade with love by Velvety Vibes. Beautiful. Look at this. Ooh. Ooh, it feels like silk. It looks like butter. Oh, it's so cute. Let's try this on. Oh, nice. Oh, I love it. Oh, it's like that clean, fresh smell. Oh, it's so cute. Look at this box. And then what do we have here? Glam Mallow. Oh, like marshmallow, Glam Mallow. Oh, look, it's glittery. Oh, cute. Oh, nice. It's got the glittery vibes. This is an oil. Lightweight, fast absorbent oil that leaves your skin soft. And she is really good. These smell so delicious. In fact, I wore one the other day and I got lots of compliments. Look at it. It's glowing. It's like a snow globe. And then sugar cookie. Okay, now sugar cookie. Oh, the packaging is so cute. I am so excited to try those. So pretty. Look at that. click, click, take a picture. It's gorgeous. Now let me show you guys a few of my favorites. This is Cherry Bomb. Get the Cherry Bomb. This is what I have left, and I have to order some more. And this is so smooth, and I've had this for a while. I just want you to know, this one I wore the other day and I have so many compliments. A lot of times I just like to be fresh without perfume, and I love her products for that, because sometimes your girl just want to be natural without all of the perfume. And this, even though it's perfume, it gives you a light smell, and it lasts all day. Look at that one, so smooth, so smooth. This is one of my favorite, baby powder. This you can use on your body or hair. As you can see, your girl uses this a lot. This is another favorite. This is my ultimate favorite, baby powder, when she have her oils. So I'm really excited about trying these because her oils are fabulous, and I've been savoring this because this is one of my favorite. So yeah, this one is really good. And then I have this one, Marshmallow Luxe. So yeah, I'm so excited to share this with you. So if you're interested in beauty products, make sure you check out your girl Javon at JAVLOGS, and don't forget to thumbs up the video. You'll have a great time watching her. I also have other body butters, so clean. So yeah, I'm a fan of hers, and I buy her products all the time. So you have to catch them. Now I know she's going to have a drop on December the 3rd as well. So if for some reason you can't catch these items, then make sure you check her out. Just stay tuned, or add yourself to her mailing list, and she'll email you when her products drop. So thank you, Cookie, so much for tuning in and watching this video. I look forward to hearing your feedback. And like I said, I love these products. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Deuces.